Students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy and doing great. Students, as you know, our syllabus is completed and now we are starting revision of chapter number 12. Chapter 12 के क्वेश्चन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. Now we are doing some more questions. We will do these questions. Here we will convert bigger unit into smaller unit. Hours into minutes, days into hours, years into months, week into days. We will do these questions on page. So as you can see here, we have to convert 3 hours into minutes. Hours bigger unit, minute smaller. Bigger to convert into smaller. What is to do? We have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 hour having how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour having 60 minutes. What is to convert? 3 hours. So what is to do? We have to multiply 3 by the 60. We have to multiply 3 by the 60 and we will get answer in minutes. So we will do rough work over here. 60 to be multiplied by the 3. We have to take table of 3 in 0 time. We will get 0. When we multiply a number by 0, we will get 0. And 3 is 6 18. So we can say 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. I am repeating one more time. 3 hours to be converted into minutes. 1 hour having 60 minutes. 3 hours is equal to 60 multiplied 3 is equal to 180. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. Now 5 days into hours. Days को hours में change करना है. We know that days bigger unit, hours smaller. What is to do? Multiplication. We know that one day having how many hours? 24 hours. One day में कितने hours होते हैं? 24. What is to convert? 5 days. So 24 to be multiplied by the 5 and we will get answer in hours. 5 days to convert into hours. So we know that one day having 24 hours. So 5 days to convert. So 24 to be multiplied by the 5. We will do rough work. Take table of 5 4 times. 5 4s are 20. 0. 2 in carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So we can say 5 days is equal to 120 hours. How many hours are there in 5 days? There are 120 hours in 5 days because one day having 24 hours. So 5 days is equal to 24 multiplied by the 5. We are doing some more parts of the question. 21 days into hours. 5 days into hours, 21 days into hours. Same as the earlier one. One day having how many hours? 24 hours. What is to convert? 21 days. Days को hours में change करना है. We have to multiply 21 by the 24 because one day having 24 hours. So 21 to be multiplied by the 24. 4 का table 1 में 4 1s are 4. 4 take table of 4 2 times. 4 2s are 8. Now put a cross below the first digit. Now we have to take table of 2 1 time. Now we will multiply both of the number by the 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now we will find their sum. 4. 8 plus 2, 10. We will write 0. 1 in carry. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 21 days is equal to 504 hours. One more time. One day having 24 hours. So 21 days is equal to 21 multiplied 24 hours. We will get answer in hours. Now as I told you 21 multiplied 24. I am repeating one more time from the beginning. One day having 24 hours. 21 days is equal to 21 multiplied by the 24 because one day having 24 hours. So 21 days को hours में change करने के लिए we have to multiply by the 24. When we multiply 21 by the 24, we will get 504. So 21 days is equal to 504 hours. Here next part of the question. we have to convert 7 month into days. We know that 1 month having how many days? 30 days. 1 month having 30 days. So what is to convert? 7 month. 7 months to convert into days. It means 7 to be multiplied by the 30. And we will get answer in days. Month bigger unit, days smaller unit. For converting month into days, we have to do the multiplication. 1 month having 30 days. So 7 month is equal to 7 multiply 30. Here we have to multiply 30 by the 7. Take table of 7, 0 times 0 and 7 3 is a 21. So answer is 210 days. It means 7 month is equal to 210 days. One more time. As month to convert into days, 1 month bigger unit, days smaller unit. For converting month into days, we have to do the multiplication. 1 month having 30 days. 7 month, 7 to be multiplied by the 30. 7 multiply 0, 0, 7 3 is a 21. So 7 months is equal to 210 days. We are doing some more parts of the question. Now we are doing some more parts of the question. Here 5 weeks we have to convert into days. Weeks bigger unit to convert into smaller unit. Weeks bigger unit, days smaller unit. So we have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 week having 7 days. As I told you, 1 week having 7 days. So we have to convert 5 weeks. For converting 5 weeks into days, we have to multiply 5 by the 7 and we will get answer in days. 5 sevens are 35. We can say 5 weeks is equal to 35 days. 1 week having 7 days. 5 weeks is equal to 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35 days. Next part of the question. 7 years to be converted into days. Years bigger unit, days smaller unit. What is to do? We have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 year having 365 days. 1 year में कितने days होते हैं? 365. What is to convert? 7 years. For this we have to multiply 7 by the 365 to be multiplied by the 7 and we will get answer in days. So 365 to be multiplied by the 7. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 in carry, 7 6 are 42 plus 3, 45, 5, 4 in carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is equal to 24. One more time, 7 5s are 35, 3 in carry, 7 6 are 42 plus 3, 45, 5, 4 in carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. So answer is 2555 days. One more time. 1 year having 365 days. 7 years is equal to 365 to be multiplied by the 7. We will multiply one more time. 365 by the 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 in carry. 7 6 are 42 plus 3. 45 5. 4 in carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. So answer is 2555 days. 7 years is equal to 2555 days. Now we are doing one more part of the question. 9 years into months. Here years to convert into month. We know that years bigger unit, month is smaller unit. We have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 year having 12 months. So now 9 years to be converted into months. So 12 to be multiplied by the 9 and we will get answer in months. 12 multiply 9. 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 in carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. Answer is 108 months. It means 9 years is equal to 108 months. I am repeating this question one more time. We have to convert years into months. 1 year having 12 months. 9 years is equal to 12 to multiply by the 9 is equal to 108 months. Now I am doing one more part of the question. Here 5 months to be converted into weeks. We know that 1 month having 4 weeks. 1 month having 4 weeks. So for converting months into week, we have to do the multiplication. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 5 months is equal to 5 to be multiplied by the 4. And we will get answer in weeks. One more time. Months to convert into weeks. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 5 months to be converted into weeks. 5 to be multiplied by the 4. 5 multiplied 4 is equal to 20. Answer is 20 weeks. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 5 month having 20 weeks. We are doing one more part of the question. Again we have to convert months into week. Months bigger unit, weeks smaller unit. And as I told you, whenever we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 month having 7, 1 month having 4 weeks. One more time. Months to convert into weeks. Month bigger unit, weeks smaller unit. For converting months into weeks, we have to do the multiplication. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 10 months is equal to, we have to multiply 10 by 4 and we will get answer in weeks. 10 multiply 4 is equal to 40. Answer is 40 weeks. When we convert 10 months into weeks, we will get 40 weeks. So I am repeating this question one more time. Here we have to convert months into weeks. Month bigger unit, weeks smaller unit. For converting months into weeks, we have to do the multiplication. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 5 month is equal to 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20 weeks. So answer is 5 month is equal to 20 weeks. Here we have to convert 10 months into weeks. Same as the earlier one. 1 month having 4 weeks. So 10 months is equal to 10 multiply 4 is equal to 40 weeks. So in this way we can convert months into weeks. We are doing one more part of the question. Here we have to convert weeks into days. Weeks bigger unit, days smaller unit. For converting weeks to days, we have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 week having 7 days. So what is to convert? 9 weeks. For this, we have to multiply 9 by the 7 and we will get answer in days. 9 7 is 63. So answer is 63 days. One more time I am repeating this question. 9 weeks to convert into days. 1 week having 7 days. 9 weeks is equal to 9 multiply 7. For converting weeks into days, we have to multiply by the 7 because 1 week having 7 days. So when we multiply 9 by the 7, we will get 63. So answer is 63 days. So I am repeating from the beginning one more time. As I explained you, here we have to convert hours into minutes. 1 hour having 60 minutes. So 3 hours, for converting hours into minutes, we have to multiply by the 60 because 1 hour having 60 minutes. When we multiply 3 by 60, we will get 180. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. Here 5 days to convert into hours. यहाँ पर days को hours में change करना है and days bigger unit, hours smaller unit. Because one day having 24 hours. 24 hours make a day. So days to convert into hours. For converting days into hours, we have to multiply by the 24 because one day having 24 hours. So when we multiply 24 by the 5, we will get 120. So 5 days is equal to 120 hours. Here days to convert into hours. Same as the earlier one. One day having 24 hours. 21 days को hours में change करना है. We will multiply 21 by the 24. Now we will do multiplication. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we will multiply by the 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now we'll find their sum. 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 in carry, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 21 days is equal to 504 hours. Here we have to convert months into days. 1 month having 30 days. So months को days में convert करना है. Month bigger unit, days smaller unit. For converting month into days, we have to do the multiplication. And 1 month having 30 days. For converting 7 month into days, we have to multiply 7 by the 30. When we multiply 7 by the 0, 0, 7 3 is 21. So we can say 7 month is equal to 210 days. Now I am repeating one more time this question. Months to convert into days. Month bigger unit, days smaller unit. 1 month having 30 days. For converting 7 month into days, we have to multiply 7 by the 30. When we multiply 7 by 30, we will get 210. So answer is 7 month is equal to 210 days. Here we have to convert weeks into days. 1 week having 7 days. 5 weeks is equal to weeks small bigger unit, days smaller unit. वीक्स को स्मॉल डेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 1 week हैविंग 7 days. 5 weeks इज इक्वल टू 5 टू बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 7. 5 7 जा 35. सो 5 weeks इज इक्वल टू 35 days. Here years to convert into days. 1 year having 365 days. So 7 year is equal to 365 multiplied by the 7. 5 7 is 35. 5 3 in carry. 7 6 is 42 plus 3 45. 5 4 in carry. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. So answer is 2555 days. 7 years is equal to 2555 days. Now years to convert into month. 1 year having 12 months. Year bigger unit, months smaller unit. Years को month में convert करने के लिए we have to do the multiplication. 1 year having 12 months. So for converting 9 years into month, we have to multiply 12 by the 9. Take table. Here we are multiplying, doing rough work. 9 2 is 18. 8 1 in carry. 9 1 is 9 plus 1 10. So we can say 9 years is equal to 108 months. When we multiply 9 by the 12, because 1 year having 12 months, so 9 year is equal to 12 9s are 108 months. So 9 years is equal to 108 months. So in this way we can convert bigger unit into smaller unit. Always remember that अगर आप bigger unit को smaller unit में change कर रहे हो, you have to do the multiplication. इसके अलावा आपको ये भी याद करना है कि how many, here we are converting weeks into days. Weeks in bigger unit, days smaller unit, multiply करना है. लेकिन ये भी पता होना चाहिए how many days are there in 1 week. We know that 1 week having 7 days. So 5 to be multiplied by the 7. Here we are converting years into days. So ये हमें पता होना चाहिए how many days are there in 1 year. 1 year having 365 days. So 7 to be multiplied by the 365. So in this way we can convert bigger unit into smaller unit.